Hi there folks, it's UFO Bob, and today we are going to make bacon gravy and biscuits, the way my grandmother did. On low heat, cook 4 or 5 slices of bacon until crispy. Low and slow is the way to go. Once cooked, remove the bacon from the pan, drain, and set aside. Now, save 2 tablespoons of bacon grease and discard the rest. Next, we're going to add the bacon grease with 2 tablespoons of flour and mix thoroughly. You want to make sure there are no lumps in the gravy. Then, add 2 cups of milk and whisk together. Continue to cook on low to medium heat. When it starts bubbling, lower the heat a little more and simmer for approximately 7 minutes. Be sure to stir frequently. While the gravy is simmering, make your biscuits. If you're using store-bought biscuits, like I am, this will take about 10 to 15 minutes. As the biscuits are baking, crumble the bacon and add it to the gravy. Then mix in the salt and pepper. I use a tablespoon of each, but you may want less. Continue simmering the gravy on low heat until it becomes thick and creamy, roughly 5 to 7 minutes. When ready, serve over hot biscuits and enjoy. If you like this video, would you consider leaving a comment or maybe give me a thumbs up, or even heck, why not subscribe? And until next time, this is UFO Bob out. And now, time for me to have a bite.